build a snowman. Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like it's gonna rain. We used to sit in buckets, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman.
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Or ride a bike all around the house? I think this company is overdue. I start talking pictures on the wall. Hangers. It's got a little lonely. All these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say back porridge, and I'm trying to. I'm right up here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other. It's just you